Here's how to play Just Dance on PS5. So the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and go to the PlayStation Store under your PS5 and go ahead and search for the Just Dance and then select the latest version of Just Dance, which is the 2024 edition. Now to purchase it, you can just go ahead and click on the add to cart options, or if you will see the purchase or buy symbol, click on that. Now, once you have already purchased the Just Dance 2124, you are now ready to play a game. Now, what you need to do is to go ahead and select a music that you wanted to use for your Just Dance. And then take note that you can use a token for this one, or you can just go ahead and click on cancel because the Just Dance that you play on your PS5 is actually a free experience for users. And there you have it. You can now just go ahead and enjoy playing the game. Now you can go ahead and follow the steps that has been shown to your PS5 device.